Lily arrives in the village of Willow Hollow, sent to stay with her eccentric uncle for the summer. The village is quiet, and the shadows seem to stretch longer than usual. As she walks toward her uncle's house, she hears faint whispers coming from the forest. Uncle Henry greets Lily at the door. His house is filled with odd trinkets and books about ghosts and spirits. He warns her not to wander into the forest at night, but Lily is too curious to heed his warning. That night, Lily sneaks into the forest, drawn by the whispers. She follows the sound until she finds a glowing, ancient tree. The whispers grow louder, and she sees shadowy figures moving around her. The shadowy figures reveal themselves as friendly spirits who have been trapped in the forest. They explain that they need Lily's help to break the curse that binds them to the shadows. Lily learns that the Shadow Keeper is the one who cursed the spirits. She must find a way to outsmart him and free the spirits before he traps her too. With the help of the spirits, Lily finds a glowing crystal hidden in the forest. She places it at the base of the ancient tree, breaking the curse and freeing the spirits. The Shadow Keeper vanishes, and the forest is filled with light. The spirits thank Lily and ascend into the sky, finally free. Lily returns to her uncle's house, knowing she's made new friends and saved the village from the shadows.